So, for our problem number 2, model 2 for queuing theory, MMM, Speedy Pizza Delivery 3. Maria, the manager of Speedy Pizza, is expanding for operations and now has 2 delivery drivers. She wants to analyze the performance of her delivery system. She wants to know, first is, what is the probability that there are no pizzas in the delivery system? Next is, how many pizzas are in the delivery system at any given time? How much time does a pizza spend in the delivery system? How much pizzas are waiting to be delivered? How much time does a pizza spend waiting to be delivered? What is the probability that the delivery driver is busy? So, ito yung table. Yung M is 2. So, yung sa model 1, 1 lang, diba? So, yung lambda, pizza arrivals per hour is 15. And yung sa mu natin, pizza delivered per hour is 16. So, speedy delivery pizza 4. So, ito, kukunin natin yung cost. Maria at Speedy Pizza wants to analyze the cost associated with her delivery system. Now, with 2 drivers, how much is the total cost per shift? So, ito yung data table. For cost per service, cost per delivery driver per hour is 10. Cost of waiting per hour, per pizza per hour, 7. Working hours per shift is 8. So, yon, isa-solve na natin. So, ito, for our second problem, which is the queuing theory model 2, MMM. So, Speedy Pizza Delivery, third na, part 3. So, ito muna. Yan. Ibig sabihin na ito is, yung M na natin dito is 2, which is, ibig sabihin is 2 na yung nagde-deliver. And yung lambda natin is equals to 15. And yung mu is equals to 16. So, diba nung model 1 is kinuha agad natin yung L and W. Dito, mauuna muna yung P sub O. So, para makuha yung P sub O, i-identify mo yung M, lambda, and mu dun sa table na binigay ni sir. So, i-flash ko na lang yung table dito para makita nyo. Ang nakuha nating value is 3.3617 or 36.17. So, after natin makuha yon is yon, pwede na tayo mag-proceed sa next step, which is yung ito, L na. So, para makuha yung L, ang formula natin ay lambda mu times lambda over mu squared times P sub O over 2 mu minus lambda squared plus lambda over mu, which is i-substitute lang natin sa value dito and makukuha natin yung answer na 1.20. Next naman is L over lambda. So, substitute lang 1.20 over 15 is equals to 0.08. And next naman is L cube. So, yun, L minus lambda over mu. Substitute lang ulit, 1.20 minus 15 over 16. So, ang answer is 0.26. So, next naman is W cube. LQ over lambda. So, 0.26 over 15. Yan yung answer, 0.02. So, yung sa P naman, ito yung probability. Lambda over M times mu. So, 15 over 2 times 16. So, ang answer natin is 0.47 or 47%. Ito yung probability din. So, after natin makuha yon, next naman is yung sa cost. So, ito. Ang given natin is cost, service cost, waiting cost, and hours. Yung pasok per shift. So, ang kukunin natin is total service cost, total waiting cost, and total cost. So, as usual, ang unang kukunin natin is total service per hour. So, ganun pa din, M times cost of service. Di ba yung M natin dito is equals to 2 na. So, yon, 2 times 10 is equals to 20. So, after makuha natin nun, yung TS per hour, isa-solve na natin yung TS per shift, which is TS per hour times 8 lang, ganon. So, 20 times 8 is equals to 160. So, ayun, nakuha natin. Lalagay na natin dito. 20 tapos 160. So, next naman is total waiting per hour. Isa-solve na natin siya. So, lambda times waiting cost times WQ. So, yung lambda natin, diba, is 15. And yung WQ is 0.02. So, yun, substitute lang. 15 times 7, yung cost of waiting times 0.02. And makukuha natin yung 2.1. So, para naman sa TW shift, TW per hour times 8 lang. 2.1 times 8 is equals to 16.8. So, yun, lalagay lang ulit natin dito. Okay na. Then, total cost, add lang yung per hour and per shift. So, 20 plus 2.1 is equals to 22.1. Next naman, 160 plus 16.8 is equals to 176.8. So, yun. That's all for our model 2. Okay.